Welcome to our tutorial on methods in programming. In this first section, we'll explore what methods are and why they are essential in writing efficient and reusable code. Essentially, methods are blocks of code designed to perform specific tasks. They allow you to encapsulate functionality, making your code organized and modular. In this second section, we'll dive into the anatomy of a method. Methods typically consist of a method signature, which includes the access modifier, return type, method name, and parameters. The method body contains the code that defines what the method does. Understanding the method's signature is crucial for using and creating methods effectively. Our final section focuses on method overloading and recursion. Method overloading allows you to have multiple methods with the same name but different parameters, offering flexibility in your code. Recursion is a technique where a method calls itself to solve a problem incrementally. Both concepts are powerful tools for solving complex programming challenges.